Before you go out to the store and buy a bunch of pieces of sectional gutter and try to install them on your home, watch this video. Hi, my name is Angelo and I'm the installation trainer here at the Brothers That Just Do Gutters. So you're trying to decide if you should hire a company to install seamless gutters on your home or go with the do-it-yourself method to save some cash. Well, seamless gutters are by far the better choice. We recognize that we may seem biased toward that answer, being that we're a gutter company that installs seamless gutters, but we have evidence to back it up. Firstly, they provide better protection for your home. Unlike do-it-yourself gutters that are pieced together, seamless gutters are made from a single, continuous piece of material. This eliminates the potential for leaks at the seams and reduces the chance of water damage to your home's exterior and foundation. In addition to their functional benefits, seamless gutters also just look great. They have a clean, modern look that can enhance the overall appearance of your home. Lastly, seamless gutters are more durable and long-lasting than do-it-yourself gutters. Not only are they generally made of higher quality materials, but they are also stronger because they are made of fewer pieces. This can lead to fewer repairs being needed over time. So based on what we've just went over, I hope you can now see why seamless gutters are the better choice for your home. For more information or to schedule a seamless gutter estimate with us, check out our website at brothersgutters.com to find a location near you.